Hey guys, I recently got a GoPro camera for Christmas and I've been super excited to take it out ice fishing. So this last weekend I went to Schofield Reservoir and got some really cool footage of us pulling in cutthroat trout through the ice. Hope you enjoy. I started off by using a white tube jig with little mealworm on the hook, and it wasn't long before we got the first fish on the line. Yeah. There's a slot limit on the trout at Schofield Reservoir, so we ended up just doing catch and release. And it wasn't much longer before we had another trout on the line. This one ended up coming off the hook in the hole, but that's okay because we were going to turn it back anyway. But another 10-15 minutes, we had another fish on the line. The fishing kind of slowed down at this spot, and we wanted to move it a little closer in where we could see the bottom while we were fishing. And we moved to this new spot where it was only 7 feet deep. So I was testing out this little paddle bug I tried. They were going for the white jigs. And I was just trying to get a video of it, but then later on when I watched the video, I actually saw that 2 fish came in and struck on it. Then just like a minute later, one of them hit and we hooked them. Unfortunately, that jig was kind of soft and the fish ruined it, so I ended up going to these little twisty-tailed jigs. Once again, it was the white jig with the mealworm on the back that seemed to work really well. Some of the fish had quite a bit of fight in them, so we had to be really careful and kind of slow bringing them in so they didn't get off the hook. Right. A lot of the cutthroat trout that we caught up at Schofield Reservoir had really pretty colors and patterns to them. So you can't see your GoPro screen when it's recorded, and I'm kicking myself for this one because I thought the fish would have been gone for sure, but he was swimming right towards the camera and I cut it off just a little short. We got another fish on the line in 7 feet of water, and there must have been some kind of current underneath us because the water started to get a little murkier, and then we'd see pieces of vegetation underneath the ice, but we still got some pretty good video.
Well, he'll be good for the picture. Nice.
This was the first and only fish that we caught that wasn't a cutthroat trout, and it was a rainbow trout, and it seemed to be a little bit more aggressive on our jigs. I know it looks kind of dead when we're pulling it in, but it was really attacking our jigs.
He was attacking it. He was attacking it. Look at that.
We were about getting wrapped up for the day, and I wanted to try some different shots with the GoPro. So here's the cutthroat trout that we already hooked, and you can see the bottom in this video. I just thought this was a really cool video, going down the same hole as the line was.
Okay.
We had just enough time for one more fish. We ended up fishing from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and the fish were still biting when we left.